What it do, crew? It's the Captain KD checking in. And for this voiceover vlog, we're in New York with it because that is where I spent my Thanksgiving. And of course, you can check out, some extra footage on my Instagram. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. So basically, for this voiceover vlog, like I said, because I document my life and my small moments and let you all enjoy these moments with me. In my head, I'm still in New York, so man, we finna get sturdy. I don't even know if that's really what I should have said, but whatever. Let's just hop into the video. So we departed in this cute little bus, and I like how JetBlue has stars leading up to their little terminal. That's what it's called. I don't travel much, but that's what it's called. All right. So we're going to New York, and this is me. It was supposed to be a TikTok of all of my outfits in New York on the Watch My Shoes reel, but this is the only clip that I got. So with me not making the whole reel, y'all gotta watch it on this video because I made it. So I'ma post it. But now that I'm done playing, we loading up. We finna hit the plane. And I do like this plane because they said this plane is what the New York Jets they fly on. So it was real cute. This is my little seat right here. And they got my name. Anything on my name, I love it. I love it. So we have the little destination letting us know we're almost there, and we finally made it. So I'm in New York and I'm loving it. I had to walk around looking crazy until we got to our hotel because I was supposed to do my hair and my makeup on the flight like they do on the cute little TikToks, but I didn't. Aesthetics, because I love all things decorum, and I swear I seen these little people somewhere. I don't know where, but that's why I got the clip, because I know I saw them before. And they got a wheat boot. I love that. Welcome to New York. They got all the taxis lined up like it's really giving New York. Like, bro, I made it. I cannot believe I was really in New York for Thanksgiving. And I'm going back because in my head, again, I live in New York. So Wakanda language is this? I don't know, but they got Wakanda stuff up. So again, I'm just taking clips of everything because I just can't believe I'm in New York, child, and I'm in Manhattan, child, and that just makes me feel like really that girl, because in my mind, I live in New York again, and I'm a Manhattan girl. So I'm just enjoying the scenery again, in this belief that I actually made it to New York for Thanksgiving, for the Macy's Day Parade. Finally made it to our hotel, and it has a rooftop lounge. So cute. The hotel itself, so cute. I stayed at a hotel for millennials for Thanksgiving, and it's really giving everything that it's supposed to give. And if you believe in magic, you'll know this place was wonderful. I ain't never seen no Gatorade in no can, so I had to get that little footage too. They had a blind barber. I don't know if he was really blind, but that's what they said. And we're at the Moxy. This is basically where I'm gonna be staying when I get to New York. They got my name up on the TVs and stuff. Anything on my name, of course, I'm loving it. So we're doing a quick little room tour because, again, this is a hotel for millennials. So I'm just showing y'all how I got down. The bathroom, I'm loving it because I'm a real life mermaid. I love all things water. So the bathroom looking like a little pool area is mad cute. And I like how it has little Japanese inspired sliding doors for small spaces. This is, it's really a place for millennials. It's showing you how to live in a small space. They got the bathroom, cute little, the bathroom, child, you see it. Alright, so we got the bed, we got the TV, a little cubby space, a table. Apparently those are not chairs. Those are for you to lay your clothes out on. I've been sitting on the child like it was a chair. I ain't know until the last day that it was for you to sit your clothes on. And I really have not had somebody give you a little face towelettes for your makeup. That's how you know you're in New York, because they're gonna care. And I'm loving it. Okay, so on the second floor they have this cute little photo spot area, again because this is for millennials. They letting you get your Instagrammy moments. I totally forgot to take my picture here, which kind of makes me mad, but again, I got the clip of this cute little North Pole area that they created. And if you saw my outfit, well, you saw it in the beginning of this clip and you'll see it later on, my outfit was popping for this little scenery, and I totally forgot. I love how they got the retro throwback pictures on the wall. It was an ice cream little shop, and I thought that was real cute too. But first stop after the hotel, we had to stop to dispensary, okay, because we're in New York where it's recreational. If you know, I'm a 420 girly. So they got the flowers, and I love my flowers, baby. When I tell you it was hitting the way it was supposed to be hitting, it was hitting the way it was supposed to be hitting. Now I was a little worried about how I was gonna smoke outside, but the New York weather was flattering. Honestly, it was just fine. I got my boy. If you know, you know. Pick your poison. But again, I'm just happy because they have everything that I like just at my fingertips. I ain't never seen the Kardashians poster, so I had to take a little moment of that, because them my girls too. Like, I'm the Kim of this family, and trust me, I'm gonna have my moment to where I'm exploiting them for money. It's gonna come. That's kind of why I make these vlogs too, because baby, one way or another, I'm finna get rich off this, okay? And we're now at Margaritaville because we're fresh off a plane. We need to eat. We woke up at like 3 o'clock in the morning to get to New York. We checked in our hotel at like 9 o'clock in the morning. So maybe it was like, I don't know, noonish at this time. Either way it goes, it was time to eat. So that's what we did. We're now in Margaritaville. Their Margaritaville is mad cute. They got this cute little Christmas decorum and Statue of Liberty moment holding a margarita that you'll see in just a moment, because where it's always 5 o'clock. So we're at Margaritaville. We had to go get my stepsister some empanadas because she doesn't eat. She has a vegan diet, put it like that. So we went to go step outside, get some empanadas so she can eat, and then we came back up. They got a light show. I love it. So I'm going to let y'all enjoy it, because again, in documenting my moments, this is what happened. Okay, so boom, cute little light show, and now we're on our way to Macy's. Again, aesthetics, because that's just my thing. Like, I love all things cute, glittery. Just looking at cute stuff is just what makes me happy. This Macy's is bomb. They have pretty much everything in there, especially its sugar. Cute little Louis Vuitton for Christmas. I love how they had their tree topper as their star. Again, more decorum, Christmas greetings, give thanks. We're now on Broadway because I'm a thespian girl. We got Macy's with Toys R Us, and we got Jeffrey because, baby, I'm a Toys R Us kid. So we got Jeffrey and Macy's. I'm loving it. We got Tom the turkey because, again, I was there for Thanksgiving. So Macy's Day Parade. I'm gonna have the parade in another vlog as the actual parade, but this is just, my footage of what went on. This is where they have all the NBC and all the setup for the stuff that they have to show on TV. I don't know why I wasn't over there now looking back at this footage, but now I know where I need to be for next year, because that's where Mariah Carey was, I'm pretty sure, and I was on the other side. I didn't get to see my girl, but next year I know. Okay, got the little North Pole bus. I thought that was real cute. Again, see, a TV, I already said this where I'm supposed to be, so all this stuff just makes me happy. Okay, and then Macy's, the world's largest store. Okay, it's just it's everything. I don't even like malls, but I love shopping. Like, online shopping was probably the best thing ever. In my mind, it's where I'm gonna live. I'm supposed to live in Manhattan because Central Park, where a lot of stuff be going down, but it's just real cute. Like, in Florida, nothing looks like this. I see why girls just step outside and just get to take a photo, because New York is just a real life. It's like Disney World, a fantasy world, magical moment. So we're at the balloon inflation of the balloons for the Macy's Day Parade. All the balloons that they had on the TV, all the balloons that I got to see. We got the Diary of a Wimpy Kid. We got Baby Yoda, Macy's stars, little acorns and whatnot. Pillsbury Doughboy, Boss Baby, other kids. I don't know what this is, but it's real cute. I don't know who that is either. I know that's some anime stuff. And we got SpongeBob. I just like how that natural history, they use like V's for A's. I didn't know that was a real thing outside the internet, but it is. And Erica, SpongeBob was for you, girl. And I gotta show y'all my Crockies, because baby, I got my Croc boots on in New York. And you see I got a little bud, got a little money sign, got a little extra. Post no bills, baby. Really shouldn't pay no bills, but really don't post them. And they got the sign letting you know exactly what everything is, child. I missed it the first time. Now that's why I don't know what half the stuff is, but I got it the second time. We got some peppermints, candy canes, we got Pikachu, all the little inflatables that were in the Macy's Day Parade. I'm sure y'all didn't get to see it like I got to see it, but if you got to see it on TV, and look at me talking about you ain't get to see it like I got to see it, because baby, I'm just so happy I was there, baby, and I'm going back. Stop playing. But I really hope y'all saw it on TV, because I watch it on TV like every year. So being there was just like, stop playing with me. Like, I really saw the Macy's Day Parade in New York. It wasn't snowing like it typically is, but hey, I'm kind of glad it wasn't, because like I said, the weather was really Florida-ing, and I appreciate that. But yeah, we got Ronald, we got Snoopy in his astronaut costume. Like, yeah, I was just living it up. What? Hey, I do living it up. We say what you do. I'm gonna say you're living it up. Hey, what do I do? Hey, what's up, my love? Hey, for you, baby. That's how I was feeling. I was living it up, okay? And that was the end of the balloon inflation. They had some other little, parade flow items that we got to see as we exited. They had their little Disney wish boat. I'm a Disney adult, so that worked out for me. They got the Black Girls in STEM by Olay, which I really like and really appreciate. Do you see her braids? Like, baby, y'all not playing with her braids. It was the braids for me, and like, she's truly bronze. I was about to say blondes, but bronze, okay? Baby, do you see the bronzes that they put on her? I'm here for it. Legos built, they flow out of Legos. Stop playing with Legos. Like, they did that. I love it. I don't really know what this is, but it's cute, so it's here. I saw it. You gonna see it too, child, because again, document my moments of everything I saw. And here we are in Central Park where it gets crazy. They got the ABC, like everything TV is just around me. And then this is the rooftop bar that we went to after the balloon inflation, the rooftop bar at the hotel. And this is, it's just mad cute, y'all. And then they got a carousel at the rooftop bar. Do you see this? I know y'all see it. It's just mad cute. And this is the little area that we sat in. I am young bunny, so them having the bunnies on the wall totally worked out for me. And this Christmas dreamy fantasy aesthetic with the Christmas trees, I love it. These are probably the most suggestive teddy bears I've ever seen, but we're the hotel for millennials, so I guess that's how it goes. They have the decorum of lit up statues in the city, and I love it. My sister and I were supposed to be making our way to a horse and carriage ride with our parents, but we got lost, so we just ended up going to dinner at Say Less, and it wasn't all that I expected it to be, but Say Less is aesthetically what I expected to be. The food in New York is not as popping as it should be, but hey, you know me, I'm finna get the filet mignon, baby. You see this total? Child, better food at Disney. But again, I got an experience. So back to the hotel. This is what my hotel looked like at night.